Welcome back to the amazing picks. Today, we're exploring the top 18 hair clippers for men, each with unique features to meet various grooming needs. Whether you're a professional barber or prefer home grooming, there's something here for you. Be sure to stick around to discover our number one pick, which we believe is the best of them all. For more details, check the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 18. Hateker Hair Clipper and Beard Trimmer Kit. Best overall. Kicking off our list is the Hateker Hair Clipper and Beard Trimmer Kit, a standout choice for those seeking versatility and value. This all-in-one grooming tool is perfect for men who need a comprehensive solution. It includes a hair clipper and a beard trimmer, along with various attachments that cater to different grooming needs. The clipper offers a 60-minute runtime on a single charge, and its fully washable design makes it easy to clean. The adjustable combs allow for precise length settings, and the self-sharpening blades ensure long-lasting sharpness. Whether you're aiming for a clean shave or a detailed trim, this kit handles it all, making it the top pick for overall grooming needs. Number 17. Philips Norelco HC745 2/41. Best for precision and comfort. The Philips Norelco HC7452/41 excels in delivering precision and comfort, making it a top choice for meticulous groomers. It features self-sharpening titanium blades that ensure accurate cuts every time. The Turbo Power Boost function increases cutting speed for thicker hair, and with a 75-minute runtime, it provides plenty of grooming time. The ergonomic design reduces hand strain, enhancing your grooming experience. Additionally, the adjustable length settings and easy-to-clean design make this clipper an ideal choice for those who value both accuracy and convenience. Number 16. Remington HC6550. Best for built-in vacuum system. The Remington HC6550 is distinguished by its built-in vacuum system, which captures hair as you cut, minimizing cleanup. This innovative feature, combined with titanium-coated blades, ensures a smooth and efficient grooming process. The clipper offers a 60-minute battery life, making it suitable for quick grooming sessions. The vacuum system keeps your workspace clean, and the detachable blades make maintenance a breeze. This model is perfect for those who want a cleaner grooming experience without compromising on performance. Number 15. Oster Fast Feed Adjustable Pivot Motor Clipper. Best for quiet operation. If you prefer a quieter grooming experience, the Oster Fast Feed Adjustable Pivot Motor Clipper is an excellent choice. Its pivot motor ensures a quiet operation, while the adjustable blade lever allows for easy length adjustments. The high-quality blades deliver smooth, precise cuts, making it suitable for various hair types. The 8-foot cord provides ample maneuverability, and the clipper's ergonomic design ensures comfortable use. This model is ideal for those who want a reliable and quiet clipper for everyday grooming. Number 14. Andes Supra ZR2. Best for high performance and versatility. The Andes Supra ZR2 is a high-performance clipper that offers versatility and reliability. It features a variable speed rotary motor and detachable blades, making it suitable for both professional and home use. With a 3-hour battery life and a lightweight design, it's built for extended grooming sessions without fatigue. The adjustable speed settings allow for customized cutting power, making it versatile for different hair types and styles. This clipper is a top choice for those who need a powerful and adaptable grooming tool. Number 13. Wahl Super Taper 2. Best for heavy-duty performance. The Wahl Super Taper 2 is renowned for its heavy-duty performance, making it a go-to choice for professional barbers. Its powerful motor and durable blades handle all hair types with ease. The adjustable taper lever allows for precise length adjustments, and the 10-foot cord provides ample reach for comfortable use. This clipper's robust construction ensures it can withstand frequent use, making it perfect for demanding grooming tasks. Number 12. Cirker Hair Clipper. Best for affordable versatility and functionality. For those seeking value without compromising functionality, the Cirker Hair Clipper is a great option. It comes with versatile guide combs and an adjustable blade, allowing for various hair lengths and styles. The 60-minute runtime ensures it's suitable for regular use, and the lightweight design makes it easy to handle. This clipper is perfect for everyday grooming needs at an affordable price, offering reliable performance and versatility. 10. Babyliss Pro FX870R. Best for ergonomic comfort and advanced features. The Babyliss Pro FX870R is known for its ergonomic design and advanced features. It boasts a high-torque motor and precision stainless steel blades, delivering exceptional performance for professional grooming. With a 2-hour runtime, it's perfect for extended grooming sessions. The clipper's ergonomic design reduces hand strain, making it comfortable to use. This model is ideal for professionals who require both comfort and advanced features in their grooming tools. 9. Panasonic ERGP80. Best for professional multi-use grooming. The Panasonic ERGP80 is a top choice for professional grooming due to its high-performance linear motor and digital LCD display. It offers precise adjustments for various grooming tasks, and the 50-minute battery life ensures it's suitable for extended use. The clipper's ergonomic design and adjustable settings make it versatile for different hair types and styles. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and adaptable grooming tool for professional results. 8. Andis Cordless T-Outliner. Best for precision trimming and edging. The Andis Cordless T-Outliner excels in precision trimming and edging. It features a fine-tooth blade and powerful motor that deliver sharp, accurate lines. With a 100-minute runtime and a lightweight design, it's perfect for detailed work. This clipper is ideal for barbers and home users who require precision and accuracy for perfecting their trims and edges. 7. Wahl Elite Pro. Best for budget-friendly professional performance. The Wahl Elite Pro offers professional-grade performance at a budget-friendly price. It features a powerful motor and an adjustable taper lever, providing smooth, precise cuts. The 10-foot cord offers flexibility and maneuverability, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. This clipper is a great option for those who want high-quality performance without breaking the bank. 6. Hattaker Hair Clipper Kit. Best for comprehensive grooming needs. The Hattaker Hair Clipper Kit is designed to handle all your grooming needs with its versatile attachments. It offers a 60-minute runtime and self-sharpening blades for reliable performance. The fully washable design makes it easy to clean, and the various guide combs provide customizable hair lengths. This clipper is ideal for those who need a comprehensive grooming kit that covers both haircuts and beard trims. 5. Remington HC4 250 Shortcut Pro. Best for compact and convenient grooming. The Remington HC4 250 Shortcut Pro is perfect for compact, convenient grooming. Its curved blade design allows for easy access and maneuverability, making it ideal for quick trims. The 40-minute battery life is suitable for shorter grooming sessions, and the compact size makes it easy to handle. This clipper is great for those who want a convenient and efficient tool for everyday grooming. 4. Oster Classic 76. Best for heavy-duty and professional use. The Oster Classic 76 is renowned for its heavy-duty performance, making it a favorite among professionals. It features a powerful motor and detachable blades that cut through all hair types with ease. The 9-foot cord provides ample reach, and the durable construction ensures it can handle frequent use. This clipper is ideal for barbers and home users who need a reliable heavy-duty grooming tool. 3. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000. Best for all-in-one versatility. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000 stands out for its all-in-one versatility. It includes 23 grooming pieces for hair, beard, and body, making it a comprehensive solution for various grooming needs. The self-sharpening blades and 5-hour battery life provide long-lasting performance. This clipper is perfect for those who need a versatile tool that can handle all aspects of grooming. 2. Andis Master Cordless Clipper. Best for durability and sharp cuts. The Andis Master Cordless Clipper is known for its durability and sharp cuts. It features a titanium blade and a powerful rotary motor, delivering consistent performance for precise grooming. With up to 100 minutes of runtime and a lightweight design, it's ideal for both professional and home use. This clipper is perfect for those who need a reliable, high-performance tool for sharp, accurate cuts. First, Wahl Magic Clip Cordless. Best for professional-grade precision. And now, our #1 pick, the Wahl Magic Clip Cordless. This clipper is the best of the best, offering professional-grade precision with its high-performance stagger-tooth blade and powerful rotary motor. Its long-lasting battery ensures you can tackle extended grooming sessions, while the lightweight design provides comfort during use. Whether you're a professional barber or a home user, the Wahl Magic Clip Cordless delivers exceptional results, making it our top choice.